I'm extremely happy. Today personally for me it's quite difficult. Last year everything was such a blur, and lost my gran last year as well. And there's a lot of people here that will know that she's quite the anchor in my cycling career. She was with me since I was 9 years old, and 15th August this year. And just over Suikerbos, I just kept on thinking about her and Barry and how much I wanted this win for both of them. Extremely happy, and they were the motivation that got me over the line.
Very happy to have pulled off the win. It's been 10 years trying, and finally, I've gotten close seconds, third, fourth, fifth, seventh. I've been every possible top placing in the top 10 except the win, and to come away with a win here today is incredible.
What does it mean to you? You live up the road here, Franschhoek is your hometown. What does a race of this iconic stature mean to you?
Well, this is sort of like it's become one of those demons, that's haunting me. It's every year something happening, and to have gotten the win away here today, it's been incredible. My phone goes crazy the week leading up to it, and everybody's rooting for me. It's a home race. Everybody wants me to win this race, and today it looked like the stars was aligned, and I'm just really over the moon to have gotten away with this one. This is really something special to win, and it's the Argus overall, and it's one of the biggest races in the country, and it's sort of nice to say that you've won this. It's a nice ring to it.